After the high winds and storms the last few days, landscaping in some yards were torn up, but getting help to clear up the debris Mother Nature left behind may take some time. News 5's Caroline Sweeney found out landscaping companies are struggling to keep up with the increased work and smaller workforce.
The landscape contractors have been extremely busy.
The storms that rolled through Northeast Ohio the last few days took branches and landscaping with them. Now, the cleanup can begin. But landscaping companies are facing a worker shortage, which could slow response times.
It's been bad. It's been bad. People would rather stay at home, but we need them out in the field.
The recent storms are just exaggerating the employee shortage. A shrinking workforce started taking on more in early 2020.
It started last year with the pandemic and people being home and wanting to improve their living spaces.
It's been great for us. Our stuff took a spike, so we're just shortage on help.
Seth Harrison says he's getting help from employees of another company on the weekends because he's short-staffed. The low staffing means longer wait times, and sometimes his company loses out on work. Caroline Sweeney, News 5.
Now, Harrison says he will take workers with little experience. The industry started to see an issue with keeping up with the demand even before the pandemic started. On News 5 at 11, we have a look at how the H-2B visa changes has impacted that industry.